So the last way to get videos filmed is using actors. This works well if you or your business partner or none of your clients want to be on camera. Some of the challenges that come with actors is primarily location. A lot of them have green screens. You can do green screen videos. You can show chiropractic office in the background. You can do an office in the background. A lot of these actors don't have like a professional looking office they can sit in. You can pay them more to go find locations like this, but it's a struggle for a lot of them. So the biggest issue that comes with hiring actors to be in your videos is location issues. You can get around it, but you're going to have to be creative. There's really no set in stone way to get your actors in the locations that you want. As far as which actors to hire, I recommend hiring actors of both genders. So get a male actor, get a female actor. Also try hiring actors of vastly different camera presence. So get someone who talks slow and calm, and then try somebody with a lot higher energy. You want to test opposites first when you're hiring actors. So Fiverr is an excellent site to hire actors. I've had good experience with a lot of these people on the first page. You can't really go wrong. Just watch their auditions. Make sure they look like they're presenting in a way that you'd want them to present for your video. You will have to pay them more if you want them to go outside and you want them to go to a location. Fiverr tends to be a little bit more expensive. These look cheap, but you know, depending on the word count and if you want to go to a different location, they can add up and be more expensive than what you want. Your other option is Backstage. Backstage has a lot of really good actors you can hire. Again, same screening process. You have to look at their auditions. Sometimes you can send them example scripts and they can actually do an audition, and they'll do that for free. So that's a really easy way to see how they do the script. And you can send them a line or two. Just send them the first 2 lines of your script. Have them read it on camera, see if you like what they have, and then use them. And once you use them for one video, you can use them again. And it works really well. But again, hire actors that are very different from each other. So high, low energy, male, female. Backstage actors are generally going to be cheaper. I don't recommend paying more than $200 for your first video. Somewhere in the $100 to $200 range is what I would pay out for the first video. Beyond that is a little bit excessive. As you go on, and like let's say you're running in the same area for a very long time, you can use different actors for your videos. That's one way to combat ad fatigue. So if you want, you can send your script to several actors that you like, have them all film videos, and then just keep those videos on hand for when ads fatigue. Because TikTok is a strictly video creative platform, the only way to combat ad fatigue really is with new videos. So you can use other actors for that. And I recommend get a variety, test very different types of actors, and see how they turn out and how they perform. Also, let your actors know that they can break up the script. Just like I taught you in the previous modules to break up the script to sections of 1 line and 2 line. Even if an actor says like, oh no, I can do it all in one take, unless if they have a teleprompter, don't let them do that. They say they can do it, but the quality is always less. I'd rather have them film in sections, 2 lines, 3 lines max. I can cut it up. I can have the editor cut it up and put it together. It's not a big deal. But if they try to do the whole thing and their energy fades to the end, they start messing up words, but they keep it in because they want to do it all in one take, it gets messy. So unless if they have a teleprompter, tell them they cannot do it in one take. They must split it up at the sections that you have it split by, which ideally, like shown in previous modules, should be about every 2 or 3 lines. But yeah, guys, that's it for hiring an actor. You should not pay over $200 for your first video. You should pay less than that for future videos. If you want more professional ones, or if you want to hire a bunch of different actors, you can pay more. But first one, less than $200. Hire different actors if you want to hire multiple. That's it for this module, guys. Backstage and Fiverr are the two main ones. There's other services that do this. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.